Imagine scrolling through social media and suddenly one design grabs your attention immediately. You stop scrolling, you look at it carefully, and within seconds, you've understood the message. That's the power of graphic design. Hello everyone, and welcome to this graphic design masterclass. In today's presentation, we're going to explore the complete roadmap of graphic design, from understanding the fundamentals to mastering professional tools and building real world projects, whether you're a beginner, a student, or someone interested in creative careers. This presentation will help you understand how graphic design works in the real world. So let's begin our journey. Before learning any skill, it's important to understand the roadmap ahead. Many beginners jump directly into software without understanding the actual design process. However, successful designers follow a structured learning path. This roadmap includes three major areas. First, understanding design fundamentals. Second, learning professional design tools. And third, applying those skills in real world projects. Together, these areas create the foundation of a successful graphic design career. First, design fundamentals. Every great design starts with strong fundamentals. Think of it like constructing a building. Before decorating the interior, you need a strong foundation. In graphic design, that foundation consists of color, typography, and layout. These elements determine how your audience sees, understands, and reacts to your designs. Without strong fundamentals, even the most advanced software cannot save a weak design. Second, graphic design tools. Once the fundamentals are clear, the next step is learning the tools used by professional designers. Software such as Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, and Canva help transform ideas into professional visual content. Photoshop is excellent for photo editing. Illustrator is perfect for logos and vector graphics. And Canva offers a beginner friendly environment for creating social media and marketing content. Remember, tools don't make a designer successful. The designer's creativity does. Third and the last, design applications. Graphic design is everywhere around us. Every advertisement you see, every website you visit, every social media post that catches your attention, and every product package on a store shelf has been influenced by graphic design. Businesses use design to communicate messages clearly, attract customers, and build trust. This is why graphic design has become one of the most valuable skills in today's digital world. Graphic design workflow. Professional designers don't create designs randomly. They follow a workflow, a process that guides every project from idea to completion. This workflow includes research and inspiration, project planning, concept development, and final design execution. Following a workflow reduces mistakes, saves time, and improves creativity. Research and inspiration. Every successful project begins with research. Before designing anything, who is the audience? What is the purpose? What message should be communicated? They also study trends, competitors, and successful examples. The more research you do, the better your design decisions become. Project planning. Once research is complete, planning begins. This stage involves setting goals, organizing ideas, and creating a clear strategy. Planning helps designers stay focused throughout the project. It prevents confusion, improves productivity, and ensures every design element serves a purpose. Concept development. This is where creativity starts to shine. Designers begin exploring ideas, testing layouts, choosing colors, and experimenting with typography. Not every idea will be perfect, and that's completely normal. Professional designers often create multiple concepts before choosing the strongest direction. Final design. After selecting the best concept, it's time to create the final design. Details are refined, visual consistency is improved, and every element is adjusted to achieve maximum impact. This is the stage where ideas become reality. Project objectives. Now let's look at the key objectives of learning graphic design. The goal is not only to create attractive visuals, the real objective is to communicate ideas effectively, master professional tools, develop creative thinking, and build practical experience. Design principles. Design principles act as the rules of visual communication. These include balance, contrast, alignment, proximity, and hierarchy. When used correctly, these principles make designs easier to understand and more visually appealing. Tool mastery. Learning software is important. However, true mastery comes from understanding when and how to use each tool effectively. The more comfortable you become with professional software, The faster and more efficiently you will be able to bring your ideas to life. Creative communication. Design is communication without words. A single image, a color choice, or a typography style can communicate emotions and messages instantly. Creative communication is what separates ordinary designs from memorable ones. Dash practical projects. Theory alone is never enough. Pause. The best way to improve your skills is through practical projects. Creating social media posts, ellipses, advertisements, ellipses branding materials, ellipses and posters. Ellipses helps build confidence and real world experience. Graphic design comparison. Like any profession, graphic design has both opportunities and challenges. It offers creative freedom, flexible career path, and strong earning potential. However, it also requires patience, continuous learning, and the ability to adapt to changing trends. Graphic design helps businesses communicate more effectively. It improves brand recognition, increases engagement, and enhances customer experiences. A strong design can often communicate more effectively than paragraphs of text. Like every profession, graphic design also comes with challenges. One common difficulty is dealing with client revisions. Sometimes a designer may spend hours creating a concept only to receive multiple change requests. Another challenge is keeping up with constantly changing design trends and software updates. Designers also face creative blocks, tight deadlines, and the pressure of maintaining originality, choosing the right colors, selecting effective topography, understanding audience preferences, and balancing creativity with client expectations can sometimes be difficult. However, overcoming these challenges is what helps designers become professionals and improve their skills over time. Benefits of graphic design. Let's start by looking at the benefits of graphic design. Graphic design is one of the most versatile skills in today's digital economy. It allows businesses to communicate ideas clearly and professionally. Strong visual content helps attract customers, improve engagement, and build trust with audiences. For designers, graphic design opens doors to freelancing, remote work, agency jobs, and even entrepreneurship. It also develops valuable skills such as creativity, critical thinking, problem solving, and visual communication. In short, graphic design is not just a skill, it's a career opportunity that continues to grow every year. Core elements of graphic design. Every successful design depends on three essential elements: color, typography, and layout. These elements work together to create clarity, balance, impact, and effective communication. Mastering these basics is the key to professional. Every expert designer was once a beginner. Pause 2 seconds. The difference is that they kept learning, they kept practicing, and they never stopped improving. Follow industry trends and continue challenging yourself creatively. Remember, great designs are not created by talent alone. They are created through creativity, practice, and continuous learning. Pause 3 sec. Thank you for joining this graphic design masterclass and best of luck on your design journey.